Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on ENJ future while examining ENJIN cost conjecture for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like ENJIN. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the ENJIN value forecast and answer questions in the event that ENJ is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will ENJ succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will ENJIN value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is ENJ and its to-date history. ENJIN intro. Founded in 2009 and situated in Singapore, ENJIN is a data innovation organization with numerous items. ENJIN Network, ENJIN Wallet, ENJINX, Affinity and ENJIN Coin, ENJ. ENJIN Coin is a token on the Ethereum blockchain. Consider it a computerized coin that you can use across a wide range of sites and internet games. It could be changed over into different sorts of computerized property like game things or in-game gold. ENJIN Coin stage is made for the game business. SDKs for various style X, wallets and installment stages will be accessible and totally open source. Internet gamers can bring or exchange their resources from one game to another, local area to local area, developing their computerized wallet with genuine worth as they play. ENJIN price prediction. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable with the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. ENJIN Coin price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the principal quarter of 2022. Preceding, we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 September plus 4.92%, $0.5860. 2022 October minus 4.68%, $0.5323. 2022 November plus 6.93%, $0.5972. 2022 December plus 14.40%, $0.6389. 2023 Jan plus 17.81%, $0.6579. 2023 February plus 20.49%, $0.6729. 2023 Mar plus 21.49%, $0.6785. 2023 April plus 35.16%, $0.7548. 2023 May plus 37.29%, $0.7667. 2023 June plus 35.45%, $0.7564. 2023 July plus 50.57%, $0.8409. 2023 August plus 48.50% $0.8293. ENJ price prediction 2025. Our expectation model sees ENJ coming to $1.92 in 2025. What will ENJ be worth in 5 years? The cost of ENJ in 5 years could lie around $1.27. ENJIN coin price prediction 2030 to 2040. What ENJIN coin will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees ENJIN coin coming to $4.79 in 2030. What ENJIN coin will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees ENJIN coin coming to $9.58 in 2040. Will ENJIN coin supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, ENJIN coin won't supplant or surpass BTC. Might ENJIN coin at any point reach $10? Indeed, ENJIN coin could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Is ENJIN coin worth purchasing? We are promoters of decently hazardous financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins and the rest in little tasks with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, ENJIN coin merits purchasing. Is ENJIN coin a wise speculation? ENJIN coin is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a dangerous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will ENJIN coin be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0.5127. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $4.79 or significantly higher. For what reason will ENJIN coin succeed and become more expensive? ENJIN coin has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees ENJIN coin ascending to $4.79 in 2030. For what reason will ENJIN coin fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are, group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the task, controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of all-around planned promoting methodology, losing local area support, likely weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw on new designers to expand on their foundation. Could ENJIN coin at any point reach $100?